Hello everyone and welcome back to Amazon. OnePlus never fails to surprise us with their power-packed devices. And today, we are going to talk about the OnePlus Nord 2T 5G, a premium phone that offers value for money. The OnePlus Nord 2T 5G comes with a triple camera setup of 50 megapixels with a Sony IMX766 flagship sensor and OIS. The triple camera setup offers enhanced zoom, portrait mode and produces overall vibrant and colorful images. The optical image stabilization or OIS prevents motion blur due to shakes and movements. The camera also works well in low light and nightscape mode. The 32 megapixels front camera would probably get you hooked to clicking selfies. In terms of power, it packs a 4500 mAh battery with 80 watt charging. You can order your pizza when your phone is at 10%, and by the time it gets delivered in 30 minutes, your phone would be fully charged for some food time entertainment. The OnePlus Nord 2T 5G has a Mediatek 1300 processor with the new Hyper Engine 5.0. The processor powers you for seamless and responsive gameplay, speedy app launch, and hiccup-free multitasking. Experience faster and smoother lag-free performance from its predecessor. The OnePlus Nord 2T 5G comes in two attractive color options, Grey Shadow and Jade Fog. The phone boasts of the latest OxygenOS 12.1 that gives you a stable, smooth experience with an improved UI, better battery optimization and enhanced data privacy. The brand also has promised 3 years of OS updates. OnePlus Nord 2T 5G packs a splendid 6.43-inch FHD plus AMOLED display, offering higher pixel density, better and brighter colors compared to non-AMOLED displays. This means you get sharper picture quality and better viewing experience compared to other displays in this segment. With a refresh rate of 90 Hz, this phone is ultra smooth in whatever it does, guys. With a premium look and feel, 50 megapixel Sony IMX flagship camera and OIS, 80 watt Super VOOC charging and Mediatek 1300 processor paired with the OxygenOS 12.1, OnePlus Nord 2T 5G is an amazing buy in this price segment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video to be useful.